I am Dr. Tayyab Mohyuddin and have been a corporate executive in multinational pharma industries over the past 25 years. Currently, I am heading the factory operations of the Pharmagen Limited. With my responsibilities, I have to ensure that all aspects of the operation, whether it is production, quality control and inventory control, engineering, health and safety, and all regulatory compliance such as ISO, CGMP or DRAP related is done most efficiently, timely and cost effectively. Whilst there is minimum or no breakdown in any operation, since Pharmagen production is done in different facilities, it is not easy to manage manually because of the cross-contamination and also because of large distances of the respective facilities. This is where Aveeros ERP has really helped me in my management of all the operations. Real-time production stages, inventory management, quality control, and all related aspects are available on my dashboard on the click of a button, enabling me to oversee the operation most effectively anywhere, anytime. Also, this is a workflow-based system, thus allowing me to see pending tasks of all the departments as smart indicators, so that as GM, I can push to get the work done in time. All types of reports are available and any customization which is required is done by the Aveeros team, whom I have found to be very supportive and professional. They have the ability to train all types of resources, and their ERP is such that even low educated resource can use and get results. The Aveeros ERP is very user-friendly and comprehensive. As a general manager who is in charge of the factory operation of a large enterprise, the Aveeros ERP is my best friend, as it enables me to keep a watch out and take informed decisions in production planning and provides all types of reports. I would highly recommend the Aveeros ERP to pharma companies of all sizes because of its tremendous benefits. Thank you.